Just like my intermediate lesson has a 30-day money-back guarantee, Adobe Dreamweaver can be gotten from their website, adobe.com, for a 30-day free trial. If you come over here to Download and Product Trials, you can get the complete Adobe Creative Cloud suite, which includes Dreamweaver along with other popular Adobe products like Photoshop, After Effects, Lightroom, and a lot of others. And you could see you could get started for free for 30 days just by clicking on this button here. I'm actually still using Adobe Dreamweaver version CS6, so mine might look a little bit different than yours, but they still are pretty much the same. If you come to the top where it says Classic, just make sure that yours is in Classic mode. And I'm actually going to have to reset mine so that it'll look like yours. And we can get rid of pretty much all of these tabs here. Just click and drag it out here. This one, we're going to leave the CSS styles because we deal with that. We're also going to leave the files. I'll actually bring that up top with the CSS. We'll take the databases and put it in this panel out here. Server behaviors, bindings. We don't need any of these things. We're actually going to close all of these in just a minute. And just press the X buttons. So now all you have is files and CSS styles. Come up here to File, New, and make sure that your doc type says HTML5 as opposed to the other options, and create. You can see when you make a blank document, in Notepad if you remember, it was completely blank. In Dreamweaver, they start us out with the HTML5 doc type, the HTML tag, which is closed at the bottom, the head, it has the title tag, and it's called Untitled Document, the body over here, and it also gives us this meta tag. And I go much more in detail about what this is in the intermediate level course. There's 3 different views. There's Code View, Split View, and Design View. Design View will actually show you what the website is going to look like in a browser. Right now it's blank because we don't have any content. Split View will show you the code on one side with the design on the other. So I'm just going to start typing here on a new line. Header, section, article, footer, and then we'll double click, press Ctrl T to bring up a wrap tag editor, and it actually gives us an option of all of the different HTML tags. This is every different type of HTML tag that you could possibly put. This is going to be the header, press enter, and you can see it gives us the opening and closing tag. We'll do the same for section, double click it to highlight it, press Ctrl T or Command T on a Mac, section, same thing for the article, and I'm going to copy this line and paste it 3 times, then do the footer, Ctrl or Command T. We'll get rid of this word header here and break it open a little bit, adding tab spaces, and you'll see I can write the H1 tag, and when I close it, I just need to write the less than sign and the slash, and it automatically knows that the most recently opened tag was the H1, so it closes that one for me right away. We type in mysite.com. I think you get the idea. I just copied, and now I'm going to paste the H2, which is where you can learn cool stuff about me. In the section, we'll break this open, added some tabs. And again, I'll make the H2, and we'll just write some text. Close it. I'll make the P tag. And I copied the lorem ipsum already. Over here, we'll make the H3. Close it. We'll have some more text. And again, I'll just copy this first sentence. And I'm actually just going to copy and paste the rest of this. I think you guys get the idea with the HTML. Nothing too special is going on here. So I'm just going to come right here, highlight this, and paste it. And you can see I have the first article that I just wrote, and the second and third one which were brought in from the other document. I'll just get rid of this one tab space right here that's a little out of place. And in the next lesson, we'll make the CSS for this document.